The common coconut leaf broom is an ancient implement for domestic cleanliness that no one knows when first appeared in human history. The floor is endlessly collecting garbage or small rock or dust or snow, so the home has to be cleaned properly for the health and well-being of child and adult alike. Therefore, every household needs an effective coconut leaf broom. The broom may have been first invented outside of Thailand, but the Thai correctly defined the effective, natural broom when they created the Thai coconut leaf broom from the lush flora across the nation. The Thai coconut leaf broom has been used for over a century by locals that discovered the skill of making a broom not only to clean but spread a pleasant, natural bouquet around every home. In fact, harsh chemicals are not needed with the magic of the Thai coconut leaf broom. Your precious floors will be swept, soothed and cleaned in the correct manner every time with this broom. The international marketplace can now have this incredible implement in every home across the globe. This broom gets at the garbage and dust in every nook and cranny of your home. It is an efficient implement. Presently, 85% of our international customers are from across the 50 American states. The demand for this innovative broom is now rising and expanding into Canada, New Zealand, Australia, England, Finland, Norway and Sweden. The Thai flower broom is an unmatchable product made with unique Thai craftsmanship and local knowledge of nature. The coconut leaf broom grows profusely across the southern and eastern part of Thailand. We collect coconut leaf from coconut tree and cut the coconut leaves in the center to sharpen the stalks of the coconut leaves and placed in the sun for 2 days to dry them completely. We selected the best size of coconut leaf of 27-inch and tie them with a sack rope or nylon threads. This short and wide coconut leaf broom are suitable for sweeping leaves and snow debris in a wider radius than conventional brooms because it has a length of coconut leaf 27-inch. This will saving your time and less working for cleaning.